I am Miriam Muthoni Ngotho, the Deputy and Acting Director of Environment, Nyandarua County. This team, they've called us here so that they can have a foundation hiyo ya kutoka access to sustainable, and very important aspect, waste. But that waste can also be converted to energy to have this sustainable energy access in Nyandarua, and we transform our energy status.
Sustainability and environment and the people and the social aspect. If you want them to live in an environment that is sustainable, we start today.
I'm Justice Wilyoki, I'm the coordinator of Sustainable Energy Access Association. This is not the first time that we are engaging. We did some work with the climate change committees, capacity building, even to proposal development phase. And then it shows a need for us to shift to clean and sustainable energy. And we found that it was inclusive. Community participation made it successful. About 70% of Kenyans use solid biomass. That is kuni na makaa or upishi. We have work to do to shift to 100% renewable energy or sustainable energy. Waste contributes to climate change through methane and water. And to us, we look at waste of energy opportunities and what are the opportunities in terms of clean energy possibilities.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Because we strongly believe that the best and most impactful energy solutions are those developed with communities and not merely for communities. We are here to ensure that your voices are not only heard, but that they actively shape decision making and influence practical solutions for our communities.
Tunafanya kazi mambo hifadhi, sana misitu, mito, ukulima bora na hata community livelihood. Na tunafanya kazi pia na county. Naomba muweze kuparticipate. Hizi platforms ndo zenye zinasaidia push initiatives zetu from the grassroots all the way policy. So the whole purpose of this meeting is to strengthen community participation.
I'm Kevin Derito, Senior Climate Change Officer. As a county government, we recognize that sustainable environmental governance cannot succeed without the active and intentional involvement of our communities. Such collaboration strengthens our collective efforts towards inclusive climate action, clean energy adoption and access, and environmental conservation at large. We are talking about energy, not only energy, but energy access.
Na kuna mahali
and the waste management that is all over here to create employment to our young people who are saying they are already frustrated. There is a lot of opportunity. When we listen to what you can say,
When the project is being implemented, you're saying,